Hey everyone! If you want to remove the background from a photo without using complicated editing software, Pixlr makes the process quick and easy with its AI-powered tools. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a background in Pixlr from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Pixlr website and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account and access the editor from the dashboard. Next, upload the image you want to edit. Choose a photo with a clear subject for the best results, then wait for the image to load completely. Once your image is open, look for the Remove Background or AI Background Removal tool. Depending on updates to the platform, this option may appear on the home screen, within the editor, or under the AI Tools section. Click the Remove Background option and allow Pixlr's AI to analyze the image. In just a few seconds, the tool will automatically detect the main subject and remove the background. After the process is complete, review the result carefully. Check the edges around the subject and make sure important details such as hair, clothing, and accessories were preserved correctly. For the best results, use high-quality photos with good lighting and clear separation between the subject and background. And that's how to remove a background in Pixlr in 2026. With Pixlr's AI-powered tools, you can create clean and professional cutouts in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.